So that way I do that so.
And I do some washing, you know.
Yeah, and wash.
Yeah, man. The washers are on cuckoo, so you know. And you have to help yourself sometimes. When you do a little washing.
Okay. Okay, yes, I gotta do laundry. I will wash a bread. But we're supposed to get one coming this week sometime. I don't know which day. So I have to wait till mine come, till it come have one and I can't wash nothing. So that's my helping instead. So. Alright then.
Yeah.
And you have to turn on the pipe water splash out. It's a beautiful day. You see that pan clip before my wash. So I'm boiling maybe 3 eggs. Came my girl so she want one. Dad said no one egg, nothing for no egg this morning. So I'm making eggs. I gonna be I just had a cup of turmeric, yes. So I boil these eggs and then that in the background out there. So I'm boiling these eggs and I'm gonna be trying. So I'm gonna put my olive oil pot there. I'm gonna go. Couldn't tell last me make one slice of toast. I'm gonna make me a slice of toast sometime soon. Plug in that's it. So guys, my breakfast is one ends in the bread. And my 2 eggs, I put a little pine pepper on it. And of course, I have my juice right here, so I mix out my molasses. Yeah. In there. First person to comment and tell me what and what into this juice. Make sure I show it, I'm gonna see it. Go and shout out. First person to tell me what and what. Fruit juice, all fruit juice with ginger. Nothing tell it to molasses. Your pipe I run out there, that's still I do what I do. Sorry, I have a right there. So eggs, I find a piece of jerk pork and the end of the bread. And my juice, my fruit juice. Next clip. So this is my plate after breakfast, family. Yeah, don't judge me. Yeah, I found those pieces of jerk pork. I may have some more too. Did you know that you could jerk your pork, cool it out nice, chop it, and plastic wrap it, and put it in a Ziploc, put it in the freezer for future date? I think I might have show you on a video sometime to come how to do that. So this is what I had for breakfast. So I'll catch you around in the next clip. And if you notice you're not seeing my face, because guess what, girl just when she woke up, had a shower, cleaned my teeth, and just had to have a towel wrap around me. So you don't know them things they go already. In-house business. Yeah, so next clip I'll catch you around. Good day. Big man thing, man putting toes in for life. Good day. Man laundry, you know. That laundry up. Yep. Yeah, man, I say can't wait for a washer. I ain't grow up on a washing machine. So, yeah, man, laundry up, brother. Look, I can go search, you know. Maybe might do sheet, my sheet there. Yeah. That help you and around, man. I tell them all why say anything. One thing I love do a cook, you know. Look, when I say, my jerk pan come with me. Yeah. I'd not mama. And we pan a washer inside. It's another day and Dad is on the outside. Dad is doing gardening. He might pick out the weed them. You know, look a bad weed them from amongst the little garden grass. That's what is happening, Dad. They must see your hand and not see your face. How do you do?
Good morning. Daddy done the job.
Yeah, Dad do that. And people pass on the road. And sometimes it gets a bit noisy. So it goes. Okay. On the other hand, yeah. My treadmill here, I'm not find out where to put it yet. That I don't have somewhere, but when I reach this yet, and my other, never know where there's something in here. I know where it is. And my treadmill. Yep, my washer is here, my new washer, and the technician just called me and say, "Emma, come install it for me today." It came yesterday. Yeah, so it's here. So I can do laundry. I guess I can laundry today. And just call me and tell me say him soon come. So that is what is happening. I'm gonna look at this chair right here. So I go sit down and all of that. So as we go along, we'll catch you in the next clip. So guys, the new washer has been installed. Yeah. and I try it out. Like first I use a front load washer and so in my washroom. Yep. And so we are straighten up and so on. So yes, so thank God for Jesus. We kind of feel it different now. We can get my laundry out. And this is the one that was giving trouble. This one right here. So the technician said, I tell him, I see what happened to it. So him say it will definitely want some parts. 5 years, him say it will want some parts and tell me the money. And that's why I made it up to go get a new one, because me know say this will take some time to get parts and this and that and something, and then it would have not last a long time. So look here, when we get round to that, if it can't work out, it work out. Sometimes I have to pull it down first and see what is what and so on. So thank God for Jesus. I'm like on the outside here doing some, not on the outside, but on the backward doing some laundry. So I catch you around. I do not much for morning. So guys, you can see that I'm doing a little laundering. Yeah, do a little laundry. Yeah, but I'm not gonna finish for today though. You know, I have some right there, have some in the machine there, and all of that. And I also have some and some lines round to the side. So that is what is happening. Trying to just give you a little, you know, as we go along. Okay? So guys, I'm sitting on the back porch right here, and it's like after 3 in the evening. I'm feeling a little bit tired, but I'm feeling better each day. I'm getting better. Yeah. I'm waiting to take out those, and I think I have a few towels in there. Kind of late for me for towels still hooked up, but I gotta do what I can because I'm on Jaya right here, so but I don't get the connection to plug it in yet, so I'm not sure. I'll just wait until, you know, and so I'm gonna start wash early. So I'm just gonna try to end it here. I put up the towel because the breeze is blowing and the sun is outside, but I want to wash late, you know. But you might want to get some of the laundry out. I still have some right there. So I didn't do a lot today except the laundry. I didn't even eat a decent meal because I'm just like sleeping, trying to, you know, build back my nerves, strengthening back my body. I'm feeling stronger each day though. I'm feeling much better than last week. Each day as I go along, I'm feeling better as I've been sleeping. I didn't even know that my body needed so much sleep. Yeah, so I am sleeping. So I just put together these little clips for you to let you know that we will be coming with more vlogs as we go along, and I'll them Sunday. I think I have one more thing to do. My friend just could have come up inside of the house, but I won't put that on the video. I won't put that clip in here. So I just want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for putting up with me in and out and everything. But you know what happened? I think we're gonna be settled though somewhat, so we can give you some good vlogs as we go along on this channel. Also, we'll be coming with post notification on this channel and on Deb's Train starting in the next video. Okay, we will be coming with our post notification, and we'll tell you more about it in another video. The sun is out and everything, but you know what happened? Dad around the front, I'm a chill out. Camera girl, she in her room, I do her thing, and you know what happened? Thanks for watching, thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. Remember to be you, do you, and just look here. If you believe in the power of prayer, remember to pray, because prayer changes things. But actually, I can smile now. I think I'm smiling a brilliant smile, a real Debbie smile, because my body is feeling better. I'm sleeping, and I've not been eating a lot, but I've been drinking like juices and punches and so, and I'm not really feel eatish. My body is getting back together, you know. So I'm just gonna continue taking the rest that I needed so much. I'm not gonna go too much in any one day, you know, because it has been a lot up and down, still have a lot to do. So thanks for watching, thanks for the love, thanks for the support. Look out for videos that you're now gonna expect coming on this channel. Love you.